reinstall Google Home app on Android. Need to give your Google Home app a fresh start? Let's reinstall it on your Android in just a few steps. Open Google Play Store, tap the search bar, then type Google Home. If the app is already installed but buggy, first tap Uninstall, wait a few seconds until it's fully removed. Now tap Install again. The latest version of Google Home will start downloading. Once installed, tap Open and sign in back with your Google account to reconnect all the smart device. If you are having constant issues, also clear cache and leftover data before reinstalling it. This ensures a completely clean setup. And that's it. Your Google Home app is freshly reinstalled and ready to control your smart home. If this helps, smash the like button, drop your question in the comment, and subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. Catch you in the next one.